At Richard Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
To subscribe is free. Just subscribe yet.
In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. You are who you are, appreciate it. Don't be ungrateful trying to be somebody else. Don't forget your powers from deep within. The source is from your heart, that's where it all begins. Cause Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. Don't you stress it, cause you know say Jah Jah cover you. Just strive for the best, cause Jah Jah guide you. Jah will never leave you by the roadside, it's up to you. We're stepping on this battlefield life has brought along. Just keep fighting on, yeah. Jah alone is said, me now worry, come me can pray. We face haters every day, but I don't care what they say. In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. This time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you.
Oh, good. Some of them the law. Not use this speaker.
Just believe and you let you. Don't doubt yourself. Just believe and you excel.
What is that you doing? Okay, like a stick. My friend can't wait now. I'm gonna finish with the idea because I don't feel fine now. Wonder if I'm boss coming. Oh, boss. Hello? Good morning, boss. Yeah, me good. So, I want to make a comment so early, boss. No, no, sir, you can't do that to me. Why you feel fire me? Me know say me I come and work late and then something there, but me a whole heap of things to do at home. Me enough things I go through, bossy. And this a work I'm a survivor. Please, me try and do better. Me work pan it, boss. Do me a beg you. Boss, you can't help me out. So why you ask everybody without me being there? That no fear. If you ask everybody when everybody did the boss, you can't ask behind me back and they fire me. So what me gonna do now? What me gonna do, boss? I can't. Please, me, give me one more chance. What do you mean this not up for discussion? Hello? Boss? Man, don't want me to backside. Oh my God, no. No, sir. It's not safe. I'm ready for this and all this. Can't believe my boss fired me this morning. I have so much things for my hand. Oh God. Can't believe this. Can't believe this man fired me. Just because I'm late. Sometimes I can't get no taxi. Sometimes I have things at home for do. How am I gonna get my different work now? This not safe. Who call me? Boss let me down. Boss let me down. Hello? Mommy, tell me something. When you and my father they meet, when they meet in a graveyard, because I don't understand how me so sad, how so much things happen to one young girl like me. Eh? Mommy, don't tell me if you not say that. Me have to say that because too much things have happened to me one. Why me? Why all of them something happen to me? Anyways, me get fired today. I'm want one money for borrow from you for pay my rent. A rent time now. Me no know why man choose fi fire me at this time. Mommy, no, me can't bother with the preaching right now. I preach happy. Me not in a mood for that. You come like you not understand, so me not in a mood for that. You know, you say me get fire. You lend me money, you not lend me money. Me know no. Mommy, listen to me. No. My rent due in a few days, mommy. What you talk about? Alright, you know what? Later. You know, let me situation. Alright, no. You know what? It makes sense me sleep this off. Because this idea, yeah, I got through too much. Let me sleep off. You might let me sleep. Hello? I'm there home.
Girl, I know so I don't understand you at all. I don't understand you at all, man, Marika.
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by the home? So why you not come to work yesterday?
Then you all on not tell boss fi fire me. So what you talk about?
Where you say? Come again. We want to come again. You want to
Boss tell me yesterday say ask everybody who fi fire and boss say everybody say me. So where all you no know say me get fire?
Let me tell you something, girl. I see, I don't want to tell the boss to go chop through something, you know. Because see me, my mom, guys, when you're ready, you know, tell the boss if you not call me name in a dirty mouth. So you say, boss, if fire you.
Fire, I get fire.
So boss, if fire you. So what you plan to do?
Thinking right now, I don't know, me stress. Like, me literally, I don't know what to do. Only thing me can do is sleep. That's the only thing me can think about right now.
You're stressed. I too fast, I should have a bone and no and drink and shut a room.
No, Pinky, you know, say me not smoke and drink.
Yeah, they said you smoke. Bossy would fire you, okay? I will have firm meditation, but you know, will no firm meditation, bossy fire you.
I call me for mock me?
No, so I'm not calling him. I call check for you, say how me not see how work yesterday and thing. But boy, me can't really bossy tell such a lie for me though.
He never call no name, but he say ask everybody who and he say they say I mean, he never say you. I want to choke you. I want to choke you.
When I first let me get about I will not for meditation.
You see why me not smoke?
Anyways, so you say we can't link up.
Yeah, you can come link me. Link me that evening.
Alright. I remember me tell you, know, don't too fast. Well,
Later, Pinky. Later.
can't do that so. I can't swim. You have to run yourself to swim. You ever see somebody swim over here, sir? What you do here, sir? I can't. When me think you do, you go do. Hello, talk to me now. You just stand up, so.
Miss, I'm in a mood for not talking right now.
No, man.
Go on where you go.
This don't look right.
See, I'm blind here and deaf yet.
Hey! If I laugh, I die. So talk to me now. What really happened? Come in here for a long time now. And I have to sit in nobody because they right there, so.
What wrong with you? Well, I better me talk to somebody for true, you know. Yeah, me know you for a long time. But you a person who can be trusted. This minute we there, next minute I disappear. But anyways, I will talk to you.
May I listen?
Me I go through a lot. My boss fired me. And that put the icing in on the cake. Because there's a lot of stuff I go on in my life. Me I go through depression. Girl, me not comfortable. Me not happy. My rent for pay. Enough other things to do. Me don't know. Whole heap dey on my mind. Whole heap. That's why I come here so I feel like someone that just end it all.
So, Father God, I really, Father God. They say me ragamuffin, but I really this make you want. Me not even want to say it. Really? No, you know I want me got you. Me dey from road to road. From broke down building to broke down building, I'm still there, sir.
Because of that life you choose. You not choose that type of life.
Ah, you are. Hey, me no mean to laugh, but God no. And that's why me catch ya. If maybe if me never take out and stop you.
It makes sense. Me never tell you nothing. Because
No.
obviously you judge me right
No,
now.
I am not judging you. Who am I to judge you? I'm not God. I am not judging you. I am just saying why you are in a life because of that.
You never tell us that me about
But that you did. Why? That's all. Well, if I'm on your problem, I can help you solve it. I'm a bingo last night.
How much money so?
Wait no. Me need to a rich boy.
Eh?
Claims that him want, you know? Me just chop a food off him. So you don't have to worry about money, we can help you with that.
So how much money you chop off man?
150,000.
One what?
I'm a chopper.
100
150,000. Me say I'm gonna keep my go a while ago. And I go back to my yard and hey, my belly start run me.
Your belly do what?
Me say my belly start run me. Me have to I quick is reach over here so.
Hold on. So while I go and touch me hand. You did clean? You wash hand?
No, what am I gonna do? Watch me and over there, so?
Jesus Christ.
That at least I can't be doing a guy yard. Anyways.
You know say one nasty little girl do?
No mind that. You can't be it. But anyways, we can't go spend some time with you. Yeah man, we can't go and help you out and all these things. Me no really want to go back to country cause me have to go take bus and that drive there too long for me right now. Plus I run after 4 now.
Yeah, you can come spend one night or 2 nights with me.
Alright, that can't go and then dinner already. You know, see sun hot.
But as soon as you reach right down there, so you go wash your hand. Yeah?
Stop embarrass me.
Come.
Come. So come now. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Me I walk and I look for one plumber. You want plumber?
What you say?
Are you a plumber?
Lady, look good for me. What kind of work you come and say me do? A technician. So you come and ask me about plumbing work. You eat that or something? It's also like I even make no money from man. I know why you come and stir up my brain.
No. Can you pass your place? No. Me come here so I want good mood. I mean, I said today not going to be there when I go disrespect nobody, you know. I see how me come here so good. I want to feel like you want to disrespect me. Big gut boy, what you say?
Me say me a technician, me no plumber. So no come and ask me about no plumbing work.
I know say you want to eat that you're done.
Before you come and ask me if me know a plumber, you ask me if me a plumber. Girl, let's go on where you go. Because nobody make me take out my problem for you, you know. So you just go on where you go.
I want to the unsound man, yeah. I want to the unsound man. Chop.
Anyway, hold on. What you say? You want a plumber? I kind of know a little bit about it still, but if you give me work and if you look at things not really fixed properly, you can't never tell us I'm in 100. I can't do piece of work, man. No, we do all type of shit.
Anyways, a 15 biz me I spend enough.
1,500? Oh man, put something more upon it, man. That kind of little bit.
Are you an official plumber?
No, I'm not certified.
So you're just a bargain for the thing, so?
No, but the 1,500 that I'm a taxi fare, you know.
Listen to me.
1,500 a week.
As what me I say, listen. You see, if you come and you do work good, me put something else on it. But for now, 1,500.
Alright, me not take it, because you say from morning me there, so not even one customer me not give. So when you don't want me to deal with it?
In the evening here.
Alright, that sounds like a good time.
Right, no.
Alright. General, let's get eye on the place or something. Here. R2.
Your house nice though.
Thanks.
I still can't believe you catch how much good I still. Because your claims your boss fire you. Who does that?
I feel I'm going to do that because my boss fired
What
me.
are that me almost catch you do? Or something else today?
Yeah. Really bad of things today.
Boy, you full of stress though. You want that about it? Come on, know you full of stress though.
Well, you know somebody married, right?
Yeah, I remember that part there.
You realize I'm not have a ring?
So we are ring on. When did I notice your hand?
Me dash away.
See why?
Because me I go through divorce.
Why your life sad? Jesus. Then so assault so I could never rush it in a church.
Me not gonna go down the road with her right now.
Anyways, I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, me never tell her that part there. Me only tell her about the one with my boobs so but yeah, I have a boyfriend. And
Okay.
me think me gonna get a chance because outer road not so nice. So I feel like me go settle down. Can I tell me how much he love me and how he want to get married. And he's so unserious. He's so like a nice person. So me think me want to give him a chance. Yeah.
Well, me not say marriage is a bad thing. It's a good thing when I find the right person. You understand? And if I really love this person and him love you well, alright thing I do.
Well, I don't think about because outer road. I tell out the road nice.
I know.
Anyways, how much for your rent?
35,000.
I lie. You see, in my car, we still talk to him, but how much for your rent?
35,000.
That at least we can't pay that. When you want to pay him, we can't pay that all tomorrow.
Yeah, we can do that in the morning.
Alright. So you want me to go bed? Where is the bathroom?
And you're right.
Me don't know my right from my left, you know.
Alright, just go in my passage. We see the bathroom.
Alright. Now go fresh up myself. I will be back.
See that? Them a sin thing and a walk. You see them? And from the dirty man who me live with, he say he don't fix them. And he no fix them, he just left just like that and no fix them. See that?
I don't know if you fix
Me
them
don't
either.
know if you walk them ya. How them a walk?
I don't know if you do it neither.
No, sir.
Hold on, me have an idea. I'm going to Google it, hold on. I'm Google it.
Give me my blasted phone.
I'm going to say you did lend me.
Oh, you get me?
So make you call, because I say I have no credit for my phone.
So this will work.
So I Google it, I don't know data on my phone. You're going like you don't want the job done, because I can't live without this, it's a 1,500. I really need it. How to fix a bathroom pipe. Hold on.
This man who saw me.
Hold on, that's the time, man. We have to solve the problem, man. Hold on. Alright, you know knife around there, I know pliers. Yeah, you know knife.
Me don't know any pliers, you know. But me know any knife. You want it?
Yeah, get it. Because I find a solution. I need to work on this right now. Because I can't believe I can't none of me to hold them. There's it. Hurry up and get it. I'm going to start. Because I have to take off all the effort, you know. Thank you. How you say pliers? You're not a pliers, right?
No.
So, hold on. What is the real problem? You not get water or what?
Me not get no water.
Right, plumber this a car, man. Hold on. I don't really know about them things, but I know about it, you know. I understand. What up? No water?
Backside.
Yeah, man.
Me can't stop being a bat now at the door.
Because this the screw here, it is too tight now down. You understand? So see, it free up there now, so. You go there now. So much is I get now, 3,000.
You give 3,000 call long time in a bed and the shower.
Alright, so you don't say any other little work for you have here, you can call me. Here? Alright, that's alright. Go take me back out there, because I don't want you talking about it.
Thank you. Open the door. Can't fix the door until we can lock good. Why? It's a girl. Me dear bad. Me say me meet one little dirty man in a town on there so because through me he pipe out if you get the water in our work, so you know say No water now come, me have to bathe out a door and I want a little bath. And girl, sometimes I even be myself good. Anyways, no. On top of the man now, ask himself my plumber. He said, take a good look for me, like my plumber to you. He said, my technician. I say, what her name? In my technician. Anyways, he come now, and he can't even do the job good. He sent me for a knife. And they asked boy if me a plumber. I said, I don't know a name plumber. You understand? So anyways, no. When we go for the knife, I don't know when juke, but he juke something. And when he juke, me see water come in. So, I not complain, I'm grateful for it. So, I thank him anyway. Yeah, everything good. Girl, cheer up yourself, ma. How are you? Eh? No, Marika.
I cannot understand when somebody lose their job or something. I lose my job. My rent won't pay. I call my mother to borrow money. My mother can't lend me money. I think we go happy. You know the amount of things we go through this a day. I want to look a friend me meet on the road where help me out. They call me this morning and tell me about sumo. I think smoking and drinking can help my problem.
So where you going to sit down and take it to heart? I'll make it kill you. Drink some.
Come like your torment.
Girl, cheer up, man. I can't bother with the brother. Cheer up, man. Everybody have problems on their head. Boy, they take fear too far now, man. I lose one good job. As can't do what you say, boss say. Everybody vote for fire you. But me don't make it go on so. What make it go on so?
Well, I expect me to feel pinky.
Cheer up.
Left
things to God.
Come like my mother preach.
Somebody there?
Yeah, and my friend is going to help me with the rent and something.
Backside. Then Marika bingo. Marika bingo. Then what you know? You have friend here we are going to help you pay the rent and thing. You don't come like when you have one friend out there and you go catch him and them and you pimp him, right? You pimp around sitting and you collect him money. Eh? How you call that? No, pimp or extortion.
Extortion?
Oh. So where are stress for?
Thinking I feel stress because me a woman. I'm supposed to do this for my own. Not because I'm not my husband again. If you work for my one, I'm not going to depend on people for me one.
Man, me tell you that the money has stress over, you know. Oh.
I'm my husband. Did my husband. So yeah, me kind of stress over him look of it, but you know too much.
So anyways, different that no. I say you're so moody. You can't get in a mood and make me attack like how we used to talk.
Yeah, talk pinky one more time.
No, but I'm me alone. I bring you vibes and you not bring vibes to me.
What kind of vibes?
And the biggest insult that I give me right now, come here chat to myself. I mean I like that. Oh Lord, you know how long me I try for now to place. Oh, you have company.
Yeah, we got company. Alright.
Yeah. But with the pan thing like to me. I'll know this like look about the bathroom. Jesus.
So stay in the bathroom.
No, it not stay. Me not think it's staying.
What are they? What are they?
Company.
How your name again?
You know me? My name is Amanda.
Oh, Amanda. Amanda.
Awa.
So, you know one man named Patrick?
Oh, that man there. You even know one man named Patrick. I'm a kind of retarded girl. Retarded?
Idiot Patrick. But hold on there. So, Idiot Patrick.
Thank you for over.
Idiot Patrick. Idiot Patrick. So, how in there? We are calling him Idiot Patrick.
Because he act like he not no sense.
Oh. Hey!
can't believe you come from me and come mash up the things, you know, girl. What kind of style that?
Sorry, man. And no say, the girl that we have up here house, she rub up my man 150,000. I see them on phone together. She can't rub me forget. That not right. And that's why I mash her down. But she come and throw a pillar for me. And the second pillar touch me, you know. You should hold me. Oh.
It's like you not understand what me I say or something. So Pinky, you tell me say you get all of them the money there for your man. And me I tell her say me get finance rent and pay. And you can look for me as a friend and give me lend me money or something.
No. Me did tell us I get it. Me did tell us I get it. Yes, say other Jamaican people don't listen. Me say the money when me did forget the girl rob it from him. 150,000.
That is not what you said, Pinky. You say you can't make a girl come and rob up with you. Well,
What me supposed to I get?
you know what? Make it stay.
Girl,
But
me
that's the
say
next time I come up from me and do something like that, it's not gonna nice. Especially when somebody help me. You know help me, you know? You know help me all come up from me and give me weed and rum and something for drink.
them the
To
girl.
kill me and fast.
Them the girl have here, the girl call nasty too. I come and go and chat, boy. Next time I come up here yard, me not gonna like it. You see me have to come back here yard? You think me have a nice house too? So you come here gate to come and apologize and dirty
So somebody
mosquito.
come and apologize,
Dirty mosquito you get and yam me up.
then this will name up you. Because you don't have no behavior. You don't have no respect. Everywhere you go with a dirty style. Everywhere. So you attack your man about the situation because obviously your man did a lucky girl.
Attack which man? Look how long him gone. So how me fi attack him?
So why you attack a girl now and the man gone?
Because me feel it. Me the want 150,000 there.
So why you never keep a man till the man make one next 150,000 again? You see, you just want one thing. One time opportunity you want in our life. No,
So where you come yourself you can't tell me now? You come yourself you tell me about my relationship. You think say me make your man left you.
What kind of friend are you? No, what kind of friend are you?
What kind of friend you be? Come come here so I apologize. Yes, say sorry about what go on. Yeah, come talk about.
And you come to disrespect me.
Micah, I see. I'm not gonna read the fire today, you know, cause you see, they come like a obey me for your gate too.
Me not time for that.
I be a mosquito
because I
and
don't know why
me
more
up.
than the obey you and look for you, you're maga than me. You know, see me have on weight, you look like bone. So why more than obey you? For what? What you have what me not have? Tell me.
So where do come to tell me some maga and you and me look like bone? So what that supposed to do? Make me feel hurt? Hoo! Look for me. Me still a breathe.
Come get your yard.
What wrong with you?
One year.
And if you don't take off your weight off yourself, girl, because if you take off your weight, and them they tell the people go chat and me done maga from morning.
One
I have to come back here yard.
Take your
And me
garbage.
go on with me mag. You should have make it touch me.
And what would I do if it touch you?
You remember how mother day she say should have make it
You see,
touch
as
me.
friend today, me mark it 10 in the sky. You can't call back my phone or text back my phone. Me see what kind of friend you be as friend today, girl.
Boy!
Crosses.
Destruction. Yeah, and the girl want go down in a one barrel and roll go down the hill. Boy, dirty girl.
Oh, what kind of friend this me dey pick up? No, thank you. Oh, where did Jungle I go on here, so? Hello, miss. Let me tell you something. Not because you have to pay rent for 1 month, that means you have to cock up in a house and feel comfortable. Because you don't live here.
I mean, should I not cuss enough?
About?
After you make your maga friend come over here, come and beat me. You come and say, I can raise your voice after me. Remember, see, I'm here help you out in this year.
Hey.
I'm here help you out in this year.
As a matter of fact, let me catch me access. Can you see and show off me setting catch it in the morning catch it? Let me tell you something. Not because me I go through depression and then stuff there you help me out. Me grateful for it and everything now. But guess what? You see money where you give me I go give it to you back. You know why? Because I'm a good place the money come from. A dirty money you carry me and come give me. You understand? It seems like you need to go back on the road, go hustle. Because you see your money when you hustle and no good money. No good money. I don't want the money there in my heart.
You know.
I don't want it in my place neither. So,
you see,
I put no on my pillow because you're nasty. You're nasty because you're
you see, until you can give me back my money in cash, then me will come out. But you see, if me not get in a cash, me not coming out. A matter of fact, how you gonna get that the money they give me back?
No yourself.
Well, get it back and give me.
I can get the money soon as possible.
As soon as you get it and give me back in my hand, I will leave your place.
Let me tell you something. If me want to leave you so right now, I can dry you by 2 strands a year in your head and take you out of my house. But you see, true, I don't want to go through that right now. I don't want to look like I'm ungrateful. I go make you stay because you don't have nowhere to go. You're out on the street. You understand?
You used to be out on the street too, but anyways.
Who gonna put me out there?
No worries, yourself.
So you come and take over my place, so that's what I try to say?
I did not say that.
Let me tell you something. You think Pinky give you nothing? You make me go down the road a while ago, cuss my friend. Because of you dry head, girl.
Me,
I know you come in my place and I come give me a chat. So you help me out one time. Was sweet nanny goats, I go run them belly. Remember me, Marika tell her that.
Look at you.
Baby! Patrick, there.
Hey, Patrick.
Hey! You always going to bring the puss.
Let me tell you something. And them son come here.
Them who? God?
You get them. Oh, then tell her.
Nice, as usual. You want money?
Patrick, what you there?
Alright, listen. First, let me talk first. Please, you have to talk first. I want you to know that I was busy doing some personal work. Working hard. Trying to, just make back some money and make you can live back some life. Damn, some shrimp, some lobster. And something like I'm thinking I'm curry goat and then sitting there. Because you're not the chocolate type of person. I can't buy much, I can't come here and just say, here, baby, want chocolate. I'm really and truly, I find, say, I really want. And I don't want to be a bring up post to me no more.
Patrick, I'm going to ask you again what you do, yeah?
So just tell you what
Patrick, you remember what you do to me?
Yes.
I ask you one question. Remember what you do to me?
Me make you feel like say me a cheat upon you. Me make you feel that way there. But me not do it. And I like say me a do it. Me a nothing go on like that. Yes, me flirt with woman. So flirting is cheating. If one girl come and rub me down a little bit and me say, girl, ease off a little bit. And she not ease off right away. And I try to push herself.
Patrick, you cheat for me. Patrick, you cheat for me.
I never do
Me? Go in your phone and see you and the dirty girl. They look dry head. I don't know if you call a girl, I call her so name. I see myself.
Oh.
Me see the fussy foot girl in your phone and her hug up.
Which, I'm a cousin that. I'm a cousin you talk about. Now Antoinette you talk about. Antoinette, I'm a cousin.
Me say Amanda, me say. Not Antoinette, Amanda.
So me can't get so loud.
I can't.
Because you try to grow on me thing. You and the little idiot girl in a business. The little ugly girl there. I can't believe I see you downgrade yourself.
Alright, babe.
My maga, yes. But you see my face.
I never say maga.
Pretty.
Yes. Only I love you and I want us to be back together in such a way where you can trust me. I mean, I spend for you.
You want us
You
to
understand?
be back together?
I invest in some serious stuff now, you know.
Patrick, you say what you do care about?
What you mean say what you do care about? What you talk about?
What you do care about?
All right.
I see you girl take your 150,000 and run off with it.
Alright. The 150,000 was a loan what she take from me. I'm money I talk about. Alright, listen. Me and she went as like a business. And she said she can turn back juice and
So hold on there. Me see you take one picture with her when you rub down her belly. You breathe girl? No, Patrick, you breathe girl. Patrick, you breathe girl.
No, babe.
Patrick, you breathe girl.
Babe, what you talk about?
Patrick, me see one picture in the phone when you go so with the answer. And one next video when you rub down your girl belly. Patrick, you breathe girl.
Me say no, honey. Why me not do that and come up here? So, am I stupid? Am I dunce? Am I that's so insensitive to your feelings?
Hello. You're stupid enough. Are you dumb? Because if you never stupid and dumb, me don't know which devil or which ancestors send you come right so if you come bother me. You see, you're stupid and dumb because right now me feel like going at my house. If you want, we're sitting there in there.
No. Alright, listen.
When I jack them at them, I just jack it.
No. You know, see one bad dream which did about violence. Say you want something and as if he said something, wake up. Babe, just understand. Say,
dream I got on reality.
Hey, no, relax. No, listen. It was a big mistake. I'm sorry. All them something where you feel like say, nothing go on. Me not get nothing. Me not do nothing. All you see are just photos. Sometimes give a different and bad reputation on certain things. On your, you can't give me a third chance.
Wait a sec.
Give me a third chance.
Third and dead. Where you come from? Where the man come from? You say they come like you're dead already. I must see ancestors and say they come along here.
Yeah, just give me third
what
chance.
You say? Third chance?
And that's it, me done.
Third and dead, you're not gonna kill me.
No.
And you're not gonna mad me out of the house here. You're not gonna kill me and you're not gonna mad me and run away from this house here. You make a sad mistake. So your dirty foot girl Amanda coming as a con learn in a big king size bed. You're sick.
No, what you said to your car. You really sound like a make up a man this time.
Yeah. And Patrick, why you coming again? Me go ask you a question. Why you coming here?
You have money.
You have money. How much money you have? They say money make girl have manners. But the money not gonna make me have manners this time. Anyways, give me, you know some love money.
So I'm getting money. We can come here sleep one night with you. Just one night.
How much money this?
This 25,000. Just tonight, 25,000.
No more.
Yeah, but they're my yard.
So you can't hold on. You can send it into my account. 50,000.
I can send more to your account. Come on with me. Yeah, come on with me.
Come on with you?
Yeah, we can wrap up and talk like we always do.
Oh, so donkey a bite in bed?
You never said donkey a bite in your bed. Right now, you don't understand, so me just want...
Hold on there. I understand. Hold on there. Hold on there.
So we can come in?
Hold on there, no man. Stay out there, sir.
But that's all like a machine, so...
Hello. How can I help you?
Yo. Right now? Right now? You can't help me, you know. But me I tell you, you help me down.
Oh, really?
Girl, Yeah, hear me say, now hear me say.
Me a hear what you say, what you say?
Make sure you listen to that phone call, you know.
How we are talk to sir?
Let me see who me and talk to, so. You think I start Patrick this, eh? You think I start idiot Patrick where you can me off and take me $150,000 dirty somebody?
You sound like an idiot.
Me sound like an idiot boy, but yeah, you tell me idiot once, you think I have to be idiot again?
What you call my phone for?
What you mean to me call the phone for? Oh, you have to see my woman and tell her I said big you want to have to done. Yeah, idiot? Eh?
Me never tell a woman. By the way, who a woman?
What you mean say, oh my woman? You don't worry about that. You see him on a bus up here and fling and he kick down your beast ball because she love kick like a donkey.
Oh, the maga broomstick they attack.
You don't worry about maga broomstick and don't you dare talk about my woman like that. You understand? You are not my woman and you can never be my woman. It's just a thing we want from you. We want to go down in the world, but it's not possible. Because I realize that you're a con artist, you're a trickster. You want dirty somebody. I don't understand why you feel like say, hey, I'm long and sharp want my money. Want my money that me want.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, you're not getting it.
Me not get it.
So, if I that call me, I bet you hang up.
Girl, I really that you tell me, girl?
You sound dunce.
Me sound dunce. Alright. That is it. Me dunce. You think my woman done with you? Because she want that money there. Eh?
Everything is about your woman. You can't defend yourself.
Me not defend myself. I'm a money me want to can't go give my woman. The woman want money. And I'm really say only way to get her back is me have money.
The money you done for me already. I mean, don't spend half fight already. You know how no get back, I get back that argument.
You don't spend half fight already.
You're deaf.
You see right now where you hear me? Me not pre no badness, but you make me think about you give me the money. Me want back me money.
Oh, what did I idiot you?
You don't take problem. And you see right now me
bad man no ball.
not bad, just a dark stuff. Me can't make my voice can't my voice I go through weather right now.
Poor thing. Me not no money I give you.
Don't call me no poor. Don't you dare call me no poor thing. I'm not no poor thing. You understand me? For one thing in a nice brother can.
Good day.
When me can't give my money.
It's like this man not here when me I say. Me not have no money I give you. You're deaf. So your woman not go beat out your clot. Because me not no money I give you.
Beat up my alright. So I just say I take it.
I just say it.
Not your man, I just say I take it.
I just say it. I know there's something I take it. I just say it.
Alright.
Just tell her, just one woman and tell a woman say, when she see me on the right, if you take it left.
Take it left? So
me
like
don't talk.
You don't, yeah. Alright.
Have a lovely life. Right.
Manda.
So far, baby.
We couldn't tell when we see you. Yeah, right.
Yes, you can come in.
Come in.
Why, me I tell you, me say girl. You know far you live. Me I tell you something if you come check your story there, but
What happened?
my virgin now, me call him if you come pick me up. And the man pick me up and the bike, me I tell you say the bike run out of gas. So me in up on me not even they get for forward.
So empty gas in man ride. Now what no sir.
And then me go on the work and me I tell you say I'll know me even make $1. Your Christmas are just so I'll go sit down and talk.
No. I'm a friend, you had me there.
I'm on you already? Girl, you really do this to me? Yo, what make every woman me get can't feel me so. Girl.
I'm a girlfriend, you had me there. Right now, I should not cut you, I'm not here, you going.
Sorry, baby, sorry. I judge you wrongfully, because I know you're not cheating. I just say it.
You're too jealous.
So your girlfriend, they call her now, introduce me to her.
Why you want me to introduce you to my girlfriend?
Call her and make sure you know say your man there.
Me no want her to know say me a man come in her place. If you get to know my place.
You're sure your girlfriend here didn't open a ramp with me and open a man around there, you know?
Look at me eye. Look like me I tell a lie.
No, but you're just free if you call your friend out here. Me not like that.
Because me never tell her say me expect somebody. And me no want to know say me I bring you come in her place.
Me I go just work with what you say.
Exactly.
I go just work with you. Because me not think you could have some bride to make me forward a man place.
That's still a brag panny.
No brag panny, but me just want to make sure. You understand? Because me don't want a woman to trick me, you know. You know me love you already, baby. You know you go okay, alright? Oh, your friend had it for you, man. Your girlfriend had it for you. Good evening, friend.
Now here, somebody don't like that, you know. Me can't have a seat.
Yeah, you can have a seat. Come here, need to talk. Sit down.
So what you want that about?
The man that we just left here, how long do you know him?
What you mean? How long now me know him?
It's just a question. You know him for long or what?
Hold on. What you mean? You're my man there. Why you ask how long me know him? I am your husband.
No, girl. But how long you know the man? And that me ask you.
Me know him long enough. I'm a man.
And your man. In good tea, you say, right?
Yeah?
So he jerk you?
What you mean jerk me? Me don't understand.
And that the man they want to settle down with?
Yeah. How good man him treat me right.
Him mama?
Him a good man him treat me right. We see him travel from all the way a country. Come bring yourself to look for me. Yeah, me I reconsider it more circle down with him. Maybe I'll get married to him too.
You gonna get what? You get what?
Married to him. Why you behave so? Like you know something,
No, me don't know nothing, but me just want sure, me just want ensure say you know where you're going now, right? Me want to go up on the right lane. Me no want you go up on the lane when me go up and drop off, you know. I want you stay up on the arrow road, you understand? So please, me I beg you, me I ask you again. You sure say you want to settle down with them man here?
Yeah, the man treat me right.
You treat her right?
Apart from the man when me can out, because I'm an idiot. But yeah, he treat me right. He take care of me. Good. He take good care of me too.
Good. You take good care of you.
God, me stutter when me attack.
No, you're not stutter, but me just want to ensure that everything alright.
Alright, so can I move right out of the couch here so we can go relax, man, please.
I'm not saying my mama dirty jars or something here. In my own house, in my coach, I'm going to coach go spend much money for. Hey, I lose. Me no want to lose the in there, you know. Me no want get, you know, as a matter of fact. You want to lie down? See, I'm going to call you.
Hello. Same place. We are the same place.
Hey, no, sir.
drunk here last week. How are you there?
You know, so I can call her drunk, I can call her dead dog, I can call her all type of name, I can call her skeleton. But as a matter of fact, that's not my purpose for this right now. I come to say, Pinky, I'm American, I am sorry for what I do other day. I'm a come to talk to you. You know, say you're an old friend me have.
No, listen on. So when you talk to me, keep a distance.
Pinky, why you behave so? I know say other day we start off on the wrong foot. Even though you come to apologize to me and we start an argument. But I'm sorry about that. I am all the friend me have from day one. I not have no other friend.
Okay, so you never know so this a maga girl. Are your only friend? You make money, make a style me you get. You make sick of this little dry head. Girl, make a style me. Eh?
I don't like, I'm sorry.
This little cranny pitch shit. You style me for.
You want to listen to me after say me come for talk to you.
Talk,
I need a
talk.
friend for talk to. If me can't talk to you, tell me go on and me yard.
Alright, talk,
because it come like an argument I want again.
Talk.
Pinky, me not comfortable in my own house. Me not comfortable in my own house. Me feel like I'm not my house. Me feel like me you know when I live in with your parents and everywhere you go a problem. If you move a problem. And I want to ask this girl go tell me if you come out of coach make sure like you see, at that time I don't like talk to you because everything I take fridge work, girl. You can't be serious, you can't be mature for once in your life.
Hold on, let me be mature for once in my life. When me come and I tell her say the girl rob up the man 150,000, I'm gonna like the girl leg. What did you do?
What me do?
You diss me for her.
I know some this a fear, Pinky, but you come in our house and fight off a girl. Remember, some never know a reason why you fight off a girl, you know. And another thing again. She talked to one of my ex who beat woman. But I don't know how to tell her because she wants to settle down with him. I don't know how to tell her, say, I'm a good man that.
This is what I have to say to you now. First thing I gotta do, make that girl leave her yard. You know business if the ex were abusive, if he want to kill her, choke her, pit on her, kick her, do anything, you know business with that. Because if she want to beat you off in a fear one house already, what you go do? Tell her if you not chat to that man there, come like say you're sick.
I know I'm sick, but me as a woman who don't want the next woman be in an abusive relationship. That's not nice.
Yeah, but what me I say, if she give her attitude or in your own place, like as a talk, she want jump down your throat or she want lick in your face or something, who is you now if you tell her say, if you not talk to that man there?
Well, that's true. I understand what
that
you're
girl
saying.
take lick man. And I want to feel somebody too. He take lick man. And the man could have killed him with lick for her like her because they take my man 150,000. And never see something born me so.
You still depend that.
I mean, you think me done with her yet?
Let me buy that.
You done with her
I
yet?
get over that already.
Get over. Anytime I want my man, I will get by my man. Just the money I want.
That's none of my business because I'm not business about that.
Well, anyways, as what me I say, as a real friend, get rid of the girl from your house. You want me to come put her out?
No, I don't want the violence. And that I don't want no problem. Me find a way to make sure come out and stuff. But so you forgive me?
Yeah, me forgive you. And about the house, I'll get money here.
Alright, so me I go back over me call and me reach over, yeah?
Yeah, no send no money to your account here.
Put on your plate.
Hey, I could really call this.
Alright. I don't want no violence. I don't want no problem. But I'm going to ask you kind. I'm going to ask you to come out of my place. Let's try this again.
You realize I
For
come
the
to see me
last-
and look after something to eat? Like I'm hungry.
That not nothing to do with me.
No come out to your place, you know. No come out. I have no problem with that. I will come out.
Okay.
But where is my cash?
Oh,
Where they?
okay, I can give you your cash. Just send me an account number.
No, me never send you my money in an account. Me give it in your hand. Me need it back in my hand.
Listen to me. You're going to take it in your account or no other way. Let me tell you this. I don't want it violent. You notice I'm come to you calm and simple?
I am calm and I am simple. It's just that. Me give me money in a cash. Why you want to give it in an account?
Because that's the way I can give it to you. You want it or you don't want it. Alright, it seems like me I take it too easy for you or something because you don't understand what me I say. I want you out of my place.
No come out. Look for me. I know you say down here. You know done that so. I bet me make your life a misery.
Take care out of my face.
Oh, I bet me make your life a misery.
Really?
Me make your life a misery.
Let me go.
But me
relax. Come out of my face.
No, this serious. As I was saying, let me pull the door.
Hey, me no want the mosquito in my house. So I can talk outside.
Me gonna make your life a hell. Just mark my word.
Yeah, go on.
I know you say done.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Oh, me carry clothes them come.
You can't take them away them.
Me no want them the old John clothes there.